Hi, I'm Panda Hershey, and I use astrology to coach entrepreneurs and their teams on how to calendar and map out their projects, and then how to best apply their tools and talents so that they can thrive in their businesses and their personal lives. It is early September, and in the last week, there has been some favorable news for Donald Trump with regard to his legal matters. On Thursday, September 5th, it became clear that the January 6th trial in Washington, D.C. would be postponed until after the election because the judge there set the filing date for paperwork to November 7th. Then, on Friday, September 6th, the judge in the Stormy Daniels case postponed sentencing from September 19th until November 26th, again, after the election. And so that is also favorable news for him. And as I've talked about in previous videos, this Libra season is a great time for him. And this is part of why he is on a roll, that people are coming through for him with news that is helpful. And that will continue for until mid-October or so. When you combine this with Jupiter continuing to move forward, opening up doors for him until October 11th through information, he can expect to have doors continuing to open, but it's going to stop short of giving him his freedom. So the good news for that is that on September 24th, when there is that ruling about the bond amount that he will have to pay, he should expect that to be relatively favorable for him. But things will start to shift in October, but it may not be apparent until the end of the month. The first thing is that this roll is going to stop. Jupiter will start moving backward on October 11th, which means this progress that he's feeling will start to halt and move backward. And because Jupiter never got to his sun at 23 degrees of Gemini, he is not going to get that fresh start of what he gets to do until May of 2025. And this should parallel the growth in fresh start that he felt in May of 2013 when Jupiter also went over his sun. The second thing that happens is that this progress as usual is not going to last. Donald Trump has been very good at working the system, and the system is back in place because Pluto is now back in Capricorn. But as soon as it leaves on November 19th, all bets are off. In addition, the Mars portal will open in early October, and it will be a little quiet for a little while because we won't notice it all coming together, especially for him, but the energy will shift by the end of October. And I will talk about that in another video. But upshot is that Donald should essentially be on a roll through the end of this month into October, and then things will start to shift for him. So let me know if you have any questions, and thanks so much for watching. And if you are ready to tap into astrology, to calendar and map out your projects, and then know how to apply your tools and talents so that you can thrive in all areas of your life, check out the caption below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.